I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful cucumber and onion salad. Here we go.
First, you thoroughly wash your cucumbers.
Remove the cucumber skin. Next, you want to slice the cucumbers in even circles. Next, cut up some onion. You can make whatever shape you want. I'm doing circles and half circles. So, you can add just a little bit of olive oil, ground black pepper, salt, pinch of garlic, and everybody's favorite, apple cider vinegar. And then what you would want to do is mix all the ingredients together in the bowl like this. And you can season to your desire. Me, I don't like to over season. And then you can sit it in a bowl. You can place it in a bowl so that it can sit overnight in the refrigerator. And so tomorrow you have a healthy snack.